This video is all about how you can complete Wednesday, April 15th's folder. So first, as always, you're going to need to do Wednesday's Do Now, which will be asking you about how you're feeling today, and it'll ask you to upload a picture of yourself showing how you feel today. If you don't want to show your face, you could just upload a picture of something you've done today. The second thing you need to do is you need to watch a video on creating a table from an equation. So that's going to be under this second link that says watch this video. The last thing you need to do today is end of Wednesday creating a table practice. I'm actually going to click on this so I can show you what it's going to look like. This says, in this GeoGebra assignment, you will graph a quadratic function by filling out a table. GeoGebra will do the graphing part for you. Complete at least 3 graphs and submit all 3 screenshots here. Follow this link to begin. So you're going to need to click on this link. Usually these work better if you go to the bottom right corner and click the button that says Open in Safari. I'm going to show you a feature that is kind of nice to use called the split screen. I know some of you know how to do this already, but what you're going to do is in the bottom middle of your screen, you're going to need to swipe up with your finger. So swipe up. And this dock should appear with options of what you can add to your screen. I'm going to add Notability. And what you can do is click and drag over to the side so that now we can see Notability and we can see our Safari practice. If you want to make one bigger or smaller, you can do that. If you do not have Notability already in your bottom, you can always click and drag an app onto your dock. So I'm going to go back. This feature is nice because it allows us to draw and write out problems while we're looking at our GeoGebra problems on the left. So how this GeoGebra assignment works is you're going to be given an equation and you're going to fill in the table of the output values. If this new problem button does not work for you, you might have to go to the top of the screen and hit the refresh button. So this new problem button in the middle is how you're going to find a new problem. And remember, you need to do at least 3 problems. So let's do one example from this one. Going to draw out our table. Our first input is -2. Remember, that means everywhere we see an X, we can replace it with -2. So it becomes f of negative 2 equals, don't forget about that little negative in front, parentheses, negative 2 squared plus 3. So everywhere we had an x before, we replaced it with our input of negative 2. Negative 2 squared is the same as negative 2 times negative 2, which is positive 4. So we'll keep it in our parentheses, and we're going to write, oops, negative positive 4 plus 3. Negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. So our output value in our table for negative 2 is negative 1. And you should get a check mark that says you did that problem right. And you should see the point appear on your graph as well. The next thing is you'll go through the rest of your problem and you'll find the answers for each of these inputs. Sorry, my dog is kind of acting up in the background a little bit. And then you can click this button that says graph function once all of your points are right. So you'll get a nice parabola like this. So then you need to screenshot your work. And once you do that, you're going to click New Problem and do your next problem. You need to do 3 of these. Next, you can go back to Schoology. You can exit out in the top left X. And you're going to go to Submissions and submit all of your pictures. That's all for today. Once you have submitted your 3 pictures of your completed tables, then you're done for Wednesday. We hope you are having a great day, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.